Good afternoon everyone! Tara, samahan niyo ko how to simplify a complex fraction. How to simplify a complex fraction. Ano nga ba ang complex fraction na ito? Ito ang mga tinatawag nating complex fractions. At ito ay ang mga fractions na may mga numerator, denominator, or both that are also fractions. Complex fractions are simplified when both the numerator and denominator are integers. So simulan natin. Paano nga ba? Ang step 1 po natin, we have to recall that a fraction can also be written as a division problem. So if ito po ang inyong complex fraction, step 1, isulat po natin ito na division problem. At ang step 2 po natin naman ay ang pag-multiply po natin ng reciprocal of 2. And then the last one, the step 3, which is simplify the answer. Nakuha po ba?